Good morning, everybody. I hope you're all doing fantastic. So, on today's Wellness Wednesday, I'm going to be talking about why coughs can linger after a cold. If you'd like the reference for this, check out Certainty News. I did write an article on this, so this one's super pertinent this time of year. I have probably got this question probably 20, 25 times so far this week. So you've just powered through a nasty cold or flu, and just when you think your body's starting to get into the clear, the stubborn cough refuses to leave. Not only is it annoying, it can interfere with sleep, so a lot of people tell me about that. It can disrupt your conversations, and it can make you feel like you're still sick when actually you're not. So why does it happen? And more importantly, when should you be concerned? So let's dive into a little bit of the understanding behind a post-viral cough, which could help ease your worries and guide you towards some relief. So why do coughs linger? So if you're still coughing weeks after your cold, after your symptoms have disappeared, you're not alone. Post-viral or post-infectious cough is a well-documented thing, a well-documented phenomena. According to the American Lung Association, it can persist 3 to 8 weeks after a respiratory infection. So we're talking 2 months post-sickness, you could still have a cough, sometimes even longer in people with asthma, allergies, or pre-existing lung conditions. So let's take a peek at what's happening inside the body. Airway sensitivity, why your throat won't let go. Your body's cough reflex exists to protect you. It can help clear your airways of irritants and infections. But after a viral illness, the nerves that control coughing can become sensitized or overly sensitive. Even once the virus is gone, things like dry air, cold air, or even talking too much can trigger a lingering cough. A recent study cited the National Library of Medicine found that post-viral cough hypersensitivity is particularly common in respiratory infections such as RSV and, wait for it, COVID-19, where the virus affects the deeper lung tissues. Inflammation, that's the aftermath of a virus. So when your body fights off a virus, it often leaves behind lingering inflammation, especially in your respiratory tract. Even if you are feeling fine, your airway tissues still might be swollen or irritated, making you more prone to cough. UCLA health report suggests that residual inflammation after a cold can keep the immune system in a reactive state for weeks, especially in people prone to seasonal allergies or asthma. Mucus, the gift that keeps on giving, if you want to call it that. Even though your cough or flu has ended, your body can still be clearing excess mucus out of your airway. That's because our respiratory systems produce extra mucus during an infection, and some of it is still sticking around. Coughing is our body's natural way of expelling it, so working it out of the system. Some people experience prolonged mucus production even after the infection's gone, particularly those people with a history of bronchitis or sinus infections. When should you be concerned? So a post-infectious cough can be irritating, but in most cases it goes away on its own. However, if your cough is still sticking around longer than 8 weeks, or if you experience some of the following red flags, it's time to get in and see your doctor. Shortness of breath that wasn't present before, coughing up blood or mucus with a foul odor, chest pain that worsens when you take a deep breath, wheezing or signs of a secondary bacterial infection like your fever coming back. A persistent cough can sometimes indicate asthma, acid reflux, also known as GERD, or even signs of early lung disease. If you're questioning it, get in, see your doctor, and get it taken care of. So, some things you can do to manage a lingering cough. Stay hydrated. Make sure you are getting enough fluids in. Drinking helps Drinking fluids helps the helps thin mucus, and it helps prevent your throat from becoming too dry. Warm tea, gotta love that. Broths and honey infused drinks can also help have a soothing effect. Use a humidifier. Avoid common triggers, so stay away from smoke, including secondhand smoke. Strong perfumes or air fresheners, that's like a huge one. Dust can really kick it off. Pet dander. Cold air can also do it. You could also try some over-the-counter remedies, such as cough drops or lozenges, which will help lubricate your throat and reduce irritation. Honey. Several studies out there show that honey is as effective as cough medicine for helping calm a lingering cough. Nasal saline sprays, those can help clear your sinuses out. Considering a natural approach, ginger tea can really help reduce the irritation. Steam inhalation, so like a hot shower, steam room, wet sauna can help loosen the mucus buildup. And throat coating herbs like slippery elm or marshmallow root can help with the irritation. So I hope you guys got some helpful, useful tidbits out of that. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below here, and I will answer as soon as possible. Have a great day, Kalispell. See ya.